Hey everyone, hope everybody's doing okay. Thank you for joining me on Nuts About Cars. This is an unboxing of an item that I needed. So what I bought here is an Ancel diagnosing issues with ease. So this is a BM500. It's made specifically for. I mean, you could use it on everything, but it's made specifically for BMW, Mini Cooper, and I think Rolls-Royce. I don't have a BMW, nor do I have a Rolls-Royce, but I do have a 2009 Mini Cooper Clubman, which I have some issues with. And maybe I knew this and I just never really took it seriously, but I need to register the battery that I put in it last year. And of course, that I didn't do that. So I need to register the battery. I also have a problem where one day, and I think it happened when the battery went dead and I tried to jump start it, the window went down and it will not move. Then one day it went up, down, up, down, up, down, and it stayed down again. And I have no idea what's going on with it because I thought it was the switch, the fuses are good. I mean, everything on it appears to be working properly. And I found out that there's like a body control module, I think they call it an FRM or something like that, that I'm going to try to reset. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to register the battery with using this BM500. And then I'm going to try to see if there's a way that I can maybe unplug it and plug it back in. But I think the first thing I got to do is register the new battery so the car recognizes it. I've been told that could cause issues. I don't know if it can or not. The information that I'm getting that I find online is just kind of sporadic. It doesn't seem to be very how can I say, legitimate, I guess, or maybe they're just that hard to work on. But I'm gonna start with the easiest possible thing and just kind of, I kind of looked. Okay, I put a battery in it. I put the right battery in it. I didn't mess around. I bought a battery for a 2009 Mini Cooper. I did not know it needed to be registered to the car through the computer. So I'm going to start with this, and I figured out share it with you guys. So it's a BM500 Ancel. I got a couple of different Ancel products. They seem to be pretty good. I don't seem to have a problem with it. Let's see what comes in it. Okay, looks like we get a USB-C charger. What else we got? We got okay. Oh, we got a nice kind of a heavy-duty pouch to keep it all in. I like that. The last scanner I bought was in like a plastic bubble pack. It didn't come with anything. It's got an owner's manual that is printed way too small. I'm gonna have to bust out the magnifying glass. I hate these things, the way they write them so small. And I don't care if you're young or old. It's just hard to read. That's sad. They save the ink and they end up going blind. All right, now here's what we got. We got this. Let's get the OBD2 contact. Let's see what it looks like. And if I can plug this in, I should be able to. Let's take a look. Let me plug it into a USB and see if we can at least see what the interface looks like. Please perform related operations on your computer. Well, it's got a nice bright screen. Of course, it won't show me what the thing looks like. No. But nice, it's rubber coated. Doesn't feel cheap. It's got like a rubber cover on it. Easy to grip when your hands are dirty. If you drop it, it's definitely protected. So seems like it's pretty high quality. Now let's see if I can make out what it says on here. I thought I had a magnifying glass, and I don't. I bet you I left it in the other room. Well, let's see. Let's check out the Amazon, because I got it on Amazon. And I'll put the link down below if any of you guys need something like this. But I'm going to, as soon as we're done kind of breaking this down, we will we'll go out to the to the Mini, and we'll plug it in and see what we got to do to register this thing. Apollo, stop it. Oh, the dog goes crazy with those stupid squirrels. All right, Ancel BM500 battery registration tool fits for BMW Mini, all systems, OBD2 scanner with engine, ABS, SRS, ESP, SAS, system diagnosis, car code reader for CBS, EBP, ETC, BMS, PCM, and also does oil reset. Enhanced maintenance made easy. The BM500 is designed to make advanced car maintenance effortless with easy to follow instructions for EBP, oil reset, PCM adaptations, and battery registration. You'll get precise resets and fast solutions without the need for an expert. This tool simplifies even the most complex maintenance tasks for BMW and Mini vehicles, ensuring your car runs smoothly for years to come. Reset functions varies depending on car model and years. Provide vehicle details. All right. So, oh, and it's enjoy full system diagnostics for BMW Mini and Rolls-Royce, including engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, airbags, and more. So, actually, I can't wait to try it out. So, I'm gonna pause the video. We'll go outside and we'll plug it in, and I'll bring you guys along with me, and we'll give it a try. But yeah, it's nice size, comfortable in the hand, rubber cover. Let's see how it works for registering my battery, and seeing if we can get the damn driver's door window to go up and down. Okay, all right, thank you folks. See you in a few minutes. All right, so here we go. We got it. Hope you guys can see that. Can we get a little closer maybe? I don't think so. It doesn't have a very long cord. I wish it would have had a little bit longer cord, but got a nice interface. So I think what we're going to do first is see what we need to do with registering the battery. Please go to Tool Setup. Escape. OBD2. Oil reset. What's a BMS reset? If the ignition switch is on, please turn off the ignition switch. Wait 10 seconds, then turn on the ignition switch. Okay. After completing the operation, press any key to continue. Turn off the ignition switch. Wait 10 seconds. Then turn on the ignition switch. Alright. After completing the operation, press any key to continue. And turn on the ignition switch. Press OK. Engine control module. Yeah, why not? Communicating. Quick mode. Note if another battery's capacity or another battery was retrofitted recently, the new battery capacity is only displayed currently in the diagnosis. Okay. Last battery replacement, second last battery. Record battery replacement. Okay. Battery exchange is entered. Please wait. The battery replacement was successfully entered in the DME DDE. The following is now entered in the last battery replacement. Service function finished. Special. Okay, so what's this professional mode? No, please turn off the ignition. Do not start the engine. New cars need to perform this function in diagnostic mode. Do not step on the brake. Okay. Select battery capacity. Well, how am I supposed to know that? What the heck is the capacity? I thought that's not cold cranking amps, right? Amp hours. Do I need to convert something here? Cranking amps 765, cold cranking 615. How do I calculate? Let's ask the Googles. How do I calculate amp hours on an automotive battery? That's just nuts, right? Okay, it's a Walmart battery, so I bought it from Walmart. It's an Everstart, so let me go into my purchase history. Maybe it's in the details, right? There it is. I bought it in November of last year. Let's see. Everstart value, lead acid automotive battery. H6 48 volts, 615 cranking amps. Full item details. Lead acid 615 cold cranking amps. BCI group number 48. Top post. Jesus. I have no idea here. Let's do this. Let's 615 CCA equals how many amp hours? 85. Okay. Battery serial number. I do have that. I've never done this before. I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm excited. I was just freaking registering a battery. I guess I don't know if I've ever had a car that needed to do that. Of course, I haven't been replacing any batteries on my new cars. So does every car you have to do this on all cars now? Okay, please enter the battery serial number JCR24 J C R JCR 2425 24 25 015 0 1 5 0948. Zero 9 4 8. Device unable to communicate with the vehicle. Please make sure whether the ignition switch is on. Oh, it's not. It didn't say that. Okay. So I gotta go through the whole damn thing again. Okay. It's escape. Establishing note. If another battery capacitor or another battery was retrofitted recently, the new okay, I don't know what they're talking about. Last battery replacement. Second last. Okay. Record battery. Okay. Is entered. Please wait. The battery replacement was successfully entered. Okay. Finished. It's finished. Okay. I don't know what that means, but it's apparently finished. So now it knows what's in here. So now I'm going to start the car. So I don't know what that's supposed to do, but okay, that window goes up and down. This window still doesn't do nothing. Okay. If the ignition switch is on, please turn off the ignition switch and wait 10 seconds. Then turn on the ignition switch. After completing the operation, press any key to continue. After completing it, press any key to continue. The ignition switch is on. Then turn the ignition switch back on. Okay, so I pop the key in, turn the ignition switch back on, hit OK. Engine control module common. Mini series diagnose. Okay. R55 is what I got here. Okay. Enter the actuator. Turn off the ignition switch. Wait, I'm not going to do that again. It's been reset. Erase all system fault codes. Yeah, why don't we do that? It's a pretty nice scanner though. I mean, it really does do a lot of stuff. Well, folks, it didn't do what I was hoping it would do for me, but this is a really nice scanner. It does everything for the BMW and the Mini, and it's also a universal one too. So it will also test non-BMW Mini or Rolls-Royce. It'll just give you the universal codes. It's a nice scanner. I mean, it does a lot of neat stuff. I like it. I mean, I don't really have many. I've always had some cheaper ones. This one definitely seems to do a lot more. I can't wait to dig in and see what else it'll actually do. But hey, you know what? If you guys are interested in it and you have a Mini or a BMW, this might be a good entry level. It's not a professional model, so don't misread what I'm saying. But I think for us work at home novices, this is probably a really nice scanner, and it probably won't get. It looks like it walks you through everything. It tells you what to do, so you probably really can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with this thing. So take a look at it. I'll have the link in the description. And again, thank you very much for watching my channel. I appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye-bye. I gotta tell you guys, this brings back so many memories.